Hey, sports fans, Ralph Luck. Yes, I shaved my beard. You know what? In these trying times, having a beard, although cool, and I think everybody with a beard looks cool, is just too difficult to maintain. I mean, trying to wash your face and keep clean and everything else, and the itchiness of it and everything else. Man, I know I look uglier and older, but truth be honest, truth be told, I'm actually glad to have it gone. I first started growing a beard in 2016 because everybody I worked around at that point in my life had one. But up until 2016, just 5 short years ago, when I was late 40s, I never had a beard whole life. I loved the scruffy life. I love the scruffiness now. I'm uglier. I look fatter. But you know what? I feel better. So maybe in a week I'll start growing out again. Maybe in 10 years I'll still be the same here. Anyway,